Okay, we're live. We have 0 viewers. It turns out that our stream is not so popular.
Too bad.
Okay, I'm creating new warrior, Buttercup. Level 1 is complete. Next level.
So, yeah, it's easy one also.
I deleted something wrong.
Yeah, if 10. Okay, no, it's not it yet.
Most breathtaking walkthrough of this game this world has ever seen. Okay, else if warrior health, then we can put something like 12 maybe, so it will be quicker. Water, rest, else, walk. Do you know what are these points for? When you kill the enemy, you get some points. You can later spend these points on something like weapons or armor.
Actually, I have no idea.
Okay.
Maybe it's something you can use later on in higher levels.
Do you know how many levels
No.
there are? Okay. I've seen this. You can like subscribe to this topic on Facebook, and you'll receive notification when new levels are available. So obviously they're creating new levels.
Yeah.
Here we need to put it. We need to put the instance variable in the end of the turn here.
And check it before
health. And here we put it if health is greater than warrior health, then we walk. Else we rest. And should be okay.
Yeah, I think so.
I would really like the option to speed up the simulation, because like when you're trying some level for 5, 6 or more times, you don't want to see how he heals himself for a couple of minutes.
Yeah. But maybe there warrior run function. You use
or maybe warrior heal fast.
So we passed that
Yeah,
layer.
he need to heal up, and then we're basically
Yeah, he's quite stupid right now.
yeah.
Level 5.
Next level. Here we need to if warrior feel captive, then warrior rescue. Else if attack, it should be okay.
By the way, we should make these constants, for example, min health or something. I mean, this 20.
So we don't need to heal up the, or why do we need to make the constant?
It's just good practice.
Yeah. I thought that it will be required to pass the next level, or
No, it's just.
yeah, of course, yeah, it's a good practice.
For in the next level, in the 6 there are more constants, so it makes sense to define them at the beginning of this function. So we are on level 6.
Okay, so I thought that yeah, when I just started doing this level, you wrote me a message on the Facebook.
Okay.
So we walk backwards until we see the captive. Or we walk up to the stairs, then we turn around and go to the wall, then turn around, and we've done it. Yeah, but we won't go past the stairs then.
Actually, I think the best solution is if you check surroundings. So check first if there is anything on front of you. If not, maybe you can rest. So before you can rest, you should check if someone is shooting you, and
But how we rescue this guy near the wall?
Actually, it's not needed. It's just additional points, but it's not needed.
So you didn't rescue him?
Actually, I did, but yeah, it's not needed. My first solution did not rescue him.
I think if I'll press run button, we will. Okay, we need to walk backwards if we are very low.
Yeah, we should change direction if someone is shooting us too hard. So if you are critical levels there, so I will share my maybe I just should share my screen and run it, and it's done. I'm gonna show my screen now.
Okay.
Actually, I think I can't.
What do you mean? I see your screen right now.
So can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 6th level. So I define the constants here, and I made some additional functions to make this cleaner.
Okay.
And the point is that we check if it should rest, and if it should rest if it has enough health and it's not under attack. So yeah, it should rest. Then another else if is that it should run away if it's under attack and it has critical or health.
So maybe we'll just do it this way, that so if I'm broadcasting that you can show your screen, right? This solution has to be run from my screen. You can't run it from your screen. But what I'm asking,
I'm not sure. My screen's say Hangout says you are screen sharing at the moment, but I'm not sure if I'm recording or if it's got record.
Is it possible to check it? If I open YouTube, YouTube need your permission to start. Okay. Now it's useless. Okay. It will be easier to complete it on, it will be faster if I complete it on my screen. So we need to, how can we minimize the solution? Like, okay, I can put the variables here that you mentioned, like min health and
critical
critical health. It was 5.
It was 10 actually.
10.
Yeah.
Then we start our turn. If we feel captive, then we rescue. If we feel the enemy, we hit it. Then we check. Okay, so this is about the surroundings.
By the way,
yeah.
At first we should define this health and direction, like here. I think actually it's going to be shared because you're recording your screen, and if you can see on screen on my screen.
I'm recording not the. Oh yeah, I'm not recording the entire screen. If I put the entire screen, that it should be okay. Probably now it will be okay, but we will start having problems with the mic, like the last time.
Okay.
But now in like in my Hangout screen, you should see the solution that you are showing right now.
Yeah. Yes. Right. So.
What is this syntax that you put instance variable? Then those two.
It's like if it's not if it's undefined, it should be warrior health. Otherwise, it's not.
Okay.
So like basically, unless or something.
Oh yeah, this is a great solution actually.
Yeah. So direction is forward at the beginning, but it's going to be changed if it's need
to run away.
Yeah, and if catches the wall, it's somewhere here. If there is this wall function also, so if it goes.
If we see the wall, we change the direction and walk in the direction that we need to walk to.
Yeah. So I push run now, so you can see it. It's maybe not the smartest solution because you can see how it behaves.
I'd like to play Ruby Dark Souls. It would be quite fun and quite frustrating.
Now it's the interesting part.
Why is he shooting so far?
Sorry?
Why is he shooting so far?
Why?
Yeah, because the previous archer didn't shoot so far away,
Oh,
and it shoots like two cells was the maximum distance, or
okay. Maybe.
yeah, I need to heal up. Okay,
That's it.
level 6 is complete. Maybe I should try to complete it also. Then I'll be how do I say that? Like just in case. I mean, maybe he needs
Okay.
so the both persons need to complete this. So the direction variable you put already inside the turn function here. Mm-hmm. And you put it inside the play turn.
Right there, where your cursor is.
Warrior health. And the direction is forward. And then you first.
I made some new functions there, but the first if is if a warrior field direction empty, and you pass this direction variable there to function, so it's like
warrior feel the direction. I have a typo here. If warrior feel direction like that.
empty.
Right,
Yeah.
like that. Okay. Then he.
Then he or she then he checks
Walks.
checks
Checks if he is being attacked.
yeah, I made the first check if he can rest, if there is enough health, and if it's under attack. So
If health is less than minimum health,
right,
then he rests. Or should I put conditions there, like or something? Be like that.
I think so. There maybe I made this like
I'm
and this and two and marks there.
Wait a second. So they both need to be true.
Yeah, right.
So you have the function under attack.
Yeah, but you can just
It's the same. It's basically the same that we used in the previous level.
yeah.
What does it mean that you define a function that is called under attack and it returns true or false because of the question mark, right?
Right.
And what is the warrior part about? This one.
You mean
This
this
one.
is like a function variable you pass. But actually you can use this
It's
in
you mean the parameter?
the parameter.
Okay.
It's like that.
Okay.
And the question mark is not needed. It's maybe just verify.
I'm just not very familiar with the Ruby syntax.
Also, I also, so me too. I never learned that.
Can I insert this function here?
You made some research today, so.
So it is under attack warrior and it is health more than warrior health.
Right.
Okay. So if we feel that the direction is empty, then we check if the health is less than minimum health and also under attack. Do we need to put the warrior here?
Yeah.
So if we are under attack and we are below the minimum health, then we we change the direction.
Right.
Direction backward, and walk direction.
Right.
Warrior walk direction.
Actually,
Or we rest. No, we don't rest under the attack.
Syntax is wrong.
Where exactly?
Warrior walk and the direction. Then it's space and direction there, and you also know.
You mean where this or here in the if condition?
When you call this, where are you at the moment?
When I call this under attack?
Yeah, you were on the right road actually.
Okay.
Direction backward, and then you should call this warrior walk direction, but this way.
Warrior walk. Okay. This way.
Space also needed.
Space. Okay. And do we need another condition here? So if we are below the minimum health and under attack, then we walk backwards. And if we are not, then we check if there is the enemy.
If
Oh no, it is if the okay, it's only if the direction is empty.
So if help,
So else we just walk in the
we
direction.
just walk, yeah.
Yeah.
Because the first condition is empty.
Like this.
Right.
Then the next. So if it's not empty, else. So if okay, if we walk and if we,
By the way, you missed one. If a warrior feel direction empty, then you should also rest somewhere. If the first condition is you should run away, but if
I think we can put it here. So we run away, then we check if we are below the minimum health again, like something like that. Health
yeah,
is below the minimum health, and we can rest peacefully. And else we walk. That should do. It's okay if
actually, mhm. If health is lower than min health and it's under attack, we should walk straight to the enemy because it's not under the critical health, so we can kill the enemy. So
okay.
you should remove this direction there. No, the above line. You don't need to change the direction. Just walk to the enemy.
Okay.
And so yeah, let's make another. If health is under critical health,
then we change the direction.
Yeah, and it's under attack also.
Warrior. Then we change the direction.
Yeah.
To backwards.
By the way, I checked the warrior health, not the instance health. I don't know if it really matters there. All this.
You mean here also?
Actually, no. There I checked this. It's so yeah. I found a little mistake.
Okay, so it should be okay.
Yeah, I think it should be okay.
Then we change the direction to backwards, and we walk.
Yeah.
Direction. And else we just. So if we are not under the attacker, we have. Okay, here we walk. Then if we are below the critical, we turn backwards and walk. And else we just rest.
Wait. My first check was actually under min health and not under attack. Then we should rest. It's where it should be there.
I think it should be okay. Like if we here we check if we are under the minimum health and under attack, and if we are, then we walk to kill the enemy. Yeah. Then we check if we are under the critical health, and then we change the direction and walk.
Oh, yeah.
And else, so else means that we are safe, basically. Then we change the direction to the forward, so we can return to the place where we ran away from.
Yeah.
And then we rest.
Do we need to change this direction?
If we don't change direction, then we will. Ah, okay, we can rescue this little guy then.
But by the way, let it be there because
Okay.
yeah, I had this problem and I just in the end it runs away. But then if it's got all the needed health, it's still backwards, not goes to the straight to the enemy. So it's maybe it works better that way.
Well,
Just check.
we will see.
Yeah.
So okay, this all happens if the direction is empty. So if it is not empty, then what we do next? If the direction is not empty, then we check if it is a captive. If it is a captive, we rescue it. If it's not captive, then we attack it.
Right. If it's captive,
So
yeah, rescue, and if it's wall, then change direction, and if else is just attack. I made that way.
If warrior
Feel direction, captive.
feel direction.
You can just make else if there, not else and if.
You mean here?
Yeah.
If warrior feel the direction captive, right?
Yeah.
Then warrior rescue direction. No, not this way. Like this.
That's interesting syntax.
Okay, then
Yeah.
we put another else if.
Yeah.
If the warrior feel direction wall, then he changes direction.
Right.
He changes it to forward or
forward. Yeah.
Direction equals forward, and then we walk.
Right.
And warrior walk direction. And if it's not captive and it's not a wall, then we just attack it.
Right.
Else warrior. Do we need to attack it in the direction also? Or just attack?
Direction also.
Okay. And I delete all the other stuff. We need to change the health in the end of the turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's correct. Yeah.
If I think I have some syntax errors here. This end closes the this block, and this end the health should be no health is okay. Okay, maybe I should try to run it.
Oh, it does.
Okay, he tries to heal. So the problem is somewhere here. We feel direction is empty. Health is not below the minimum and not below the critical. Okay, yeah, and so he rests. Basically, I put it this way that if we are max health, that we are resting unlimited. We need to walk here.
Yeah, and the first if it's under min health and it's not under attack, then we should rest.
If it's below the min health and not under attack,
Yeah, right.
we rest. Or rest. We rest. We don't rest in some direction.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. I think we are good.
Wait, it does something funny now.
No, he heals up and he will go kill this guy. We won't rescue this creature from the cage, but you told it's not necessary.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like that.
I'll stop the broadcast.